Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the 1 mark questions from chapter 3, that is Our Changing Earth. This is the chapter 3 from class 7th geography book. So in this video we will discuss about the multiple choice questions from this chapter. We will discuss about the true and false, we will discuss about the fill in the blanks, and we will discuss about the match the column questions from this chapter. The name is Our Changing Earth. Before starting the video, I would like to request all of you subscribe our channel, that is 1 mark solution. On this channel you are going to get videos of 1 mark questions from class 6 to 12th for all subjects. इस चैनल पर आपको क्लास 6 से क्लास 12 तक सभी सब्जेक्ट्स के 1 मार्क्स के जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस, उनकी वीडियोस मिलेंगी। इसलिए आप हमारा चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद अब हम आगे बात करते हैं। So we are starting with the first question, and the first question is: the earth crust is broken into a number of huge parts. They are called. So they are called. The correct answer options are lithospheric plates, metamorphic plates, sedimentary plates, and none of these. So the correct answer is lithospheric plates. The next question is: which of the following forces originates in the interior of the earth? So the correct answer is exogenic forces, endogenic forces, both A and B, and none of this. The correct answer is exogenic forces. The correct answer is endogenic forces. This is the correct answer, endogenic forces. Our next question is: the sudden movement in the earth are called earthquake, building movements, focus, or none of this. So the correct answer is earthquake. Next question is: the place on the surface above the focus is known as epicenter, focus, forces, or lithosphere. So the correct answer is A, epicenter. Next question is: what is the name of instrument used for measuring the earthquake? So earthquake is measured with the thermometer, seismograph, weighting machine, all of this. So the correct answer is seismograph. The next question is: on which scale is the earthquake measured? Plane scale, Richter scale, compass, or divider? The correct answer is Richter scale. The next question is: in which continent is the highest waterfall, Angel Falls of Venezuela, located? South America, South Africa, South India, North India? So the correct answer is South America. Next question is: where is the Niagara Falls located? On the border between Canada and USA, on the border between India and China, India and Pakistan, India and Nepal? So the correct answer is A, that is between Canada and USA. The next question is: the triangular collection of sediments at the mouth of the river forms beach, delta, arc, glacier. So this is the correct answer is B, delta. So our next question is: the steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above the sea water is called sea cliff, beach, sea caves. So the correct answer is sea cliff. Our next question is: which of the following is an example of glacier? Gangotri, Aravalli, both of these, none of these. So the correct answer is A, Gangotri. Our next question is: deposition of sand in a low hill-like structure is known as glacier, sand dunes, hill, desert. So the correct answer is sand dunes. Our next question is: match the contents of column A with that of column B. So the first is mushroom rock, So mushroom rock is in deserts, so we can take the desert. Then Mender is the second course of river, so we can mention second course of river. And stacks, so stacks are sea waves, so we can mention here sea waves. Our next question is again match the content of column A with that of column B. So the first is glacier. Glacier is the river of ice. Then Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is in Zimbabwe and Zambia. And transverse waves is the S waves. So we can put here S waves. Our next questions are true and false questions. So the first is sudden movement like earthquake do not cause mass destruction. So this is a false statement, as earthquake cause for a mass destruction. Next question is deposition is breaking up of rocks on the earth's surface. So this is a false statement. Next, wearing away the land by different agents like water, wind and ice is called erosion. This is a true statement. Next, sea caves become bigger and only the roof remains forming the sea arc. That is a true statement. Moraine is a depositional feature of glacier. This is also a true statement. River is an agent of erosion and deposition in the desert. This is a false statement because river is not deposit the content in the deserts. So next questions are fill in the blank. So magma inside the earth moving in a circular motion. The next question is a is a vent in the earth's crust through which molten material comes out called volcano. Next question. The place in the crust where the earthquake started is called epicenter. The next question. The process of erosion and deposition are different landforms on the surface of earth. And the next question, deposition of the layers of fine soil along the banks of rivers forms floodplains. And the last question, sand deposits over larger area are called loess. So these are some questions from chapter 3. Thank you.